Welcome back, guys. This is Amani Ideas. You are welcome back to my channel. Today, guys, we are going to be talking about how you are going to make 1000 seeds on Seed Airdrop. You all know that it is very hard to get seed on Seed Airdrop. Why? That is because you cannot accumulate millions and billions just like you do on other airdrop on Seed Airdrop. And there is one particular thing that Seed Airdrop said on their Telegram channel that made me believe that Seed Airdrop is going to do well and do better than all the airdrops that I've listed. Let me tell you why. Here is what they said that really captured my mind. This is because they said your Seed Airdrop is guaranteed. With Seed, simply playing and engaging means you are in for the airdrop without every requirement. That is how they got me. Without every requirement, no big transactions, no endless invite lists, just your seed balance when we distribute. Just imagine that, just your seed balance. Now that we have confirmed that our seed balance is the most important thing, then we need to know how to get more and more seed, because I've seen where many people have been complaining that they can't get more seed, like they have been stuck on 70 seed, 300 seed and something like that. Even I myself, I had to quit seed for some time because it was too hard to navigate. And today I'm going to show you how to maximize your profits on Seed Airdrop. And if you are very smart, you will realize that this is that airdrop that can give you what Hamster Combat didn't give you, what Memfire did not give you, what X Empire did not give you, because there are no heavy requirements. Now we are on the Seed app, but let me quickly give you that expo that you need. And here is it. The game section is where you can earn more seed. How are you going to earn more seed? It is just like betting, something very close to betting, because if you lose on that game, you are going to lose your actual seed, and if you win on that game, you are going to win someone else's actual seed. This means that you are going there for a war. It is not a play at all. It is a game where you go and fight for what you want to get on the listing day. It is very serious as that, for real. I want to quickly show you all other ways we can earn seed before going to that particular game that will earn us that 1000 seed between 3 to 4 days, because that game is the utmost important thing if you want to earn more seed. But it is very delicate and crazy that we don't need to rush to that part. Let me quickly show you all other ways that we can earn more seed that is less risky before showing you that particular game. So guys, the first way is by seeding. That one is very simple. I believe everybody should know that. Just claim it after every specified hours. And the second way is by going to the end section. That is where you will find different tasks to complete. Complete those tasks and get your seed. Some of the tasks include videos that you need to go to YouTube and get some codes and verify it and get your seed. So guys, the next way is bed hunting. In bed hunting, one of the things you have to do is to feed your bed a worm. When you feed your bed a worm, long press on your bed to make it happy. When you long press on your bed, you will see that happy emoji starting to fill up. Another thing is to complete task. So when you do all these three things, then click on start hunting and your bed will start hunting for you. After some hours, you will come back to claim whatever your bed has hunted for you. One of the ways you will earn more seed is by coming to the boost section. When you get to the boost section, the first thing you will find is storage, and what you have to do here is to upgrade your storage. It will increase time between claims. The second thing you will find here is tree, and what you also have to do is to also upgrade your tree. When you upgrade your trees, it will help you increase passive planting speed. Another thing you will find here is holy water, and what holy water does is super boost speed. And the way you can upgrade your holy water is by completing mission to upgrade it. Some of the missions you can quickly perform to quickly upgrade your holy water is to complete check-in 5 times, complete check-in twice, refer a friend, like and retweet a post, refer 3 friends, refer 10 friends, and also refer 20 friends. By doing this, it will allow you to upgrade your holy water. Let's quickly move to the next thing. Another thing you can do to earn more seed is to refer your friends. Referring your friends is very simple. Let me quickly take you to the marketplace. This is where you can buy a lot of things that will be beneficial to you in the seed game. Let me take worms for example. You will not be able to get worms freely on the tree every day. You can buy worms here, and when you buy it, you feed it to your bed to start hunting for you. You can also buy eggs. When you buy eggs, you hatch them into beds. When you hatch them into beds, these beds will start hunting for you. And what you can also do is to also sell your inventories. which means if you have eggs, if you have worms, you can also sell them and put a price on them. Sell them in the marketplace, make money from there, and the money you make is seed. In case you don't want to perform an airdrop with a lot of things like this, you don't want to perform different tasks just because you want to get an airdrop at the end of the day, then you might want to consider low-key airdrops. These are airdrops that most of the time you don't find them on Telegram. Some of them are Solana based airdrops, which means they launch on Solana networks, unlike all these Telegram airdrops that launch on Ton networks and they require us to pay Ton transactions every now and then. You can perform low-key airdrops like this, such as NotePay, Down, and also a lot of them. One of them is Grass airdrop that just listed and is listed above $1. These are the kind of airdrops that we want to perform in, and Grass airdrop are currently running their second stage, which means you have the opportunity to join them if you missed the first stage. I already made a video on how to register on Grass, and if you don't mind, you might like to join us in the Telegram community where you'll be able to get more access to guidance and airdrops like all these low-key airdrops. That is where as a community we research all these low-key airdrops and we inform ourselves, we guide ourselves on how to participate on them so that we can maximize our profits at the end of the day. So guys, the link to join us on Grass and also join us in the Telegram community will be in the description and also in the pinned comments. So guys, let us move to that main section on Seed Airdrop game. If you click the gamepad at the right hand side on your home page on Seed, it will bring you to the Seed Arcade where you can play different games. We have two games right here. The third game is not yet launched. We have two games, Battle Seed and Spinner Eggs. Battle Seed is where you can get 1000 seed in 4 days. But I need to inform you guys, it is very risky. You might lose all your seed in playing this game. So guys, you need to be very smart about it and follow me carefully so that you won't lose all your seeds. Before we go into the Battle Seed, another game we have here is Spinner Eggs. When you come into the Spinner Eggs, you will realize that you can spin to get pieces of eggs. And how does this work? You perform fusion. To perform a fusion, you need to collect 5 pieces of the same type of egg. 2 times, maximum of 2 fusions a day. Burned seed amount. Seed used for fusion will be burned to reduce the supply. This means that the seed you have accumulated, you will burn it in order to get eggs right here. If I take you back to the marketplace, you will realize that if you want to buy a single egg, the lowest amount you can get a single egg is 50 seed. And here, when you perform fusion, you'll be able to get a single egg just at the rate of 25 seed. It means you have to burn 25 of your seed to get an egg. And when you get an egg, you can hatch it into birds, and birds will help you hunt more seeds. So guys, that is basically what is inside the Spinner Egg. Let's move on to Battle Seed. Guys, Battle Seed, here we are. When you click on Battle Seed, it will tell you to play online or play with friends. Now, what I realize is when I play with friends, I don't get any rewards. But when I play online, I have the opportunity to earn rewards. To play with your friend, you have to create a room. When you create a room, you send your code to your friend, or you copy your link and send it to your friend. When they click on the link, it will take them straight away into the room that you have created, and by that way you can play the game. Or they can actually copy the code, paste it, and by that way they will join your room and you can play the game. But if you want to play online, that is another thing entirely. To play online, you have to choose a battlefield, and every battlefield has its own entry fee. That entry fee, the double of it is what you will get whenever you win a battle. If you choose Tokyo, for example, you will pay just 2 seeds and your price is 4 seeds. You can also choose different battlefield depending on how much seed you are willing to risk. So guys, let's go into the game and see what it looks like. When you click on play, then it will start matchmaking. It has to matchmake you with another player at the opposite end who is also looking to play in that particular battlefield that you have chosen. Now, when the matchmaking has been done and an opposition has been found for you, you have to click on accept to continue the game. When you click on accept, it will show you the match page. It will show you the person you are playing against. You will see the amount of game the person has lost. You will see the amount of game the person has won. Also, your own winning and losses will be shown. When you proceed to play the game, you have an option to quickly arrange your battlefield position your units where you want them to be so that your opposition won't be able to click on them. When you have finished arranging your battlefield, within some seconds the game will automatically start, and the game is turn by turn. When you play your turn, after your turn, if you miss, your opposition will play. After your opposition plays, you will play again. Goes on and on like that. Your main aim in this game is to click on the opposition's unit. You have to click on his tree or on his seed. When you click on it, you have to click on all those points that form that particular unit. Example is the way I'm clicking on this right now. I'm using my other account to play against each other. So guys, you can see this. You can see as I'm clicking on the units. So guys, let me quickly demonstrate how to play this game for you using my other account. I will be playing against my other account so that I can show you the two screen, what is happening on both screen. So guys, watch this game. You can see how I'm clicking on the opposition's units. This is how you should be clicking on their units so that you can take them out and win the game. You can see it. That is how you do it. Try to click on it. Sometimes you will miss and sometimes you will get it right. You can see how I'm clicking on it. When you find that perfect position that they placed their units, then you'll be able to take them out one by one. That is how to do it, guys. You can see that. So guys, that is just a demo of how to play that game. Let me show you a live game that I played. You will see whether I won or I lost. Now watch the game. Guys, these guys are killers. See the matchmaking, guys. See the amount of winning and the amount of losses the guy has. I am trying to navigate where he places his units, but I am missing. But you can see that the guy is just clicking on my own as if he knows where I place it. This is because the guy knows how to play the game. When you click on a particular place and you realize that it shows a red point, it means you have clicked on that person's unit. Just try to click right beside it in a form of square shape. By that way, up, bottom, left, right, you'll be able to guess perfectly how that person has placed his unit. When you completely click on that particular unit will be taken out. Whoever takes out the other person's unit first will be the winner. You have to take out all his units, not just one unit, all his units. After taking everything out, then you will be crowned the winner and you have won the prize for that match. So guys, you can play this on and on and on and get as much reward as you can get. This is the smartest way you can get to 1000 on Seed Airdrop. As you can see, there is no much task on Seed Airdrop and there is no much you can do. This is where you can do much and get as much reward as you can. Seed is going to list around December, and I believe all this game that you are playing should end in this November. If you go to their channel, they already partnered with Bybit, OKS and Binance. I don't know yet if they are going to list on all these exchanges, but they should list on it. So guys, if you go to their airdrop page, you will find all the requirements for their airdrops there. Everything is perfectly listed there. I will see you guys on my next video, and I will also bring you guys more updates on Seed and other Telegram airdrops and also low-key airdrops. Like this video and also drop whatever you feel in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on my next video.